Mom.
What do you want to cook?
I don't know, it's breakfast time, so breakfast.
That sounds yummy. What do you want to make? Bakes? Bacon sausage grits?
No, not the normal. What about donuts?
We usually do it when I can't, like in a fryer. I have an air fryer. We could try that.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. So for today's recipe, we're going to need semi-sweets, some sugar, vanilla extract, milk, some sprinkles, whatever you would like, some cinnamon, powdered sugar, coconut oil, some flaky jumbo biscuits, some kind of cooking spray, we like olive oil, and then of course you're going to need something to make little holes. I'm choosing to use stars and hearts. First we're going to start with preheating our air fryer, and we're going to preheat to 350.
Take your biscuits out and you're going to make a hole in the middle. We're going to use stars and hearts to jazzy it up. Here I have my hole cut out, and we're also going to use these little stars as donuts too, so save these. So if you were to do these during Christmas time, you could cut out little Christmas shapes in the middle and make it Christmassy.
We are now going to spray really well the inside of our air fryer so that our donuts don't stick. And then we're just going to place them in there. Now we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes. And make our icing. Okay, we are going to go ahead and make our first glaze, and I've already put a half a teaspoon of vanilla and a tablespoon of milk. And I'm just going to give that a quick little mix. And then we're going to put a half a cup of powdered sugar. And give that a good stir.
Now I'm making my cinnamon sugar to put my donuts in. I'm going to add 1/4 cup sugar. Oh, that in here. Then I'm going to add 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Then I'm just going to mix that up. So I'm going to add in 1/2 cup chocolate chips. Then I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Okay, and then I'm just going to put him in the microwave for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. And I'm going to take him out, stir, and do it again.
I'll go ahead and stop this. Oh yeah, they're perfect. So it was really about 4 minutes. 4 minutes was perfect for this one. And we're going to just carefully take them out. Ready to start our second batch, and we're going to just spray it again. And now that it's hot, I'm going to be a little more careful when I put these in. And I'm going to set the timer for 4 minutes.
we're gonna try these babies.
That one was good.
Mmm, very good.
She tried the chocolate and I tried the glaze. I got the donut holes and she got the donuts. That one looks good.
Bye!
I like the cinnamon.